Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science School. Today we will discuss about indexing, selecting and slicing. First of all, I will get the pandas library, so I will import the pandas library, and then I will create the data frame from CSV file Titanic train series that is actually we are using for different videos. So this is the data frame from the Titanic dataset, and here we have 891 rows. I don't want to see all of these rows altogether when I'm analyzing the data, so I want to specifically see first 10 rows, for example, and I need to write this command here, start and then colon, then 10 is actually n plus 1. That means the system will not include 10, so he will generate the rows from 0 to 9. So let us see that. Here you can see the indexes from 0 to 9. So this data frame is including 0 to 9, not 10. So this is what we need to understand when we are actually indexing the data frame. So we can index it from anywhere, from any rows like 55 to 66. Here we will get from 55 to 65 because 66 is 65 plus 1. Then we can get specific column from the data frame with this comment. You need to just mention the column name here. You will get the, for example, here we have the P class only. So that is how you can get the names of the data set and or any other columns from the data set. Here you can see two different indexing system. One is integer indexing system, the other one is level indexing system. Integer indexing system is implicit indexing system where and is excluded. We need to put the column as row start and then row end plus 1, then comma, column start and column end plus 1. So if I want to get 55th to 65th row and column 2 to 9, then I need to put this command df.illoc. Illoc means integer indexing, where I have mentioned all the indexes in integer form. So here you can see from P class to ticket, that means from 2 to 8 column, because there is 8 plus 1, 8 column, we have got the data frame for illoc system. If we want to get the same data frame with level indexing, that is called explicit indexing, where and is included, we can mention the column name directly. So here df.log will generate 55th to 65th rows with PS P class to ticket. So here you can see exactly the same data frame, but here we get P class to ticket. So this is not like and is included. You can get the and also in the command and also in the data frame. We can also get a data frame with not, if we don't want all the columns in the data frame, we can mention the column name like name, age, ticket. With df.log column, we can get the data frame with only name, age and ticket. Here I mentioned the rows also, that is why only first 5 rows are shown here, but you can get all the rows with name, age and tickets by putting the rows column. You can get exactly same data frame with integer indexing, that is df.illoc. That in that case you need to mention the index number of name, age and ticket. Here you will get exactly same data frame from. So as we are using here illoc, integer indexing, we know here and is not included. So here we got 1 to 4, but for log, that means level indexing, and is included, so we got 1 to 5. This is the difference between illoc and log. And also you need to put the integer value of the index. Here you can put the name of the integer index. Here also we can get for specific rows with df.log. Here for row number 4 we got Alan, and here we have for iLog system. So in both cases we got for row number 4 for name, age and ticket, and here with iLog for column 3, 5, 8. In the case if we want to get the data frame for a specific condition, for example here we want to see what is the condition of all those passengers who are older than 70 years. So if you put the comment in and run it, you will get the data frame for the people who are older than 70 age, and you can see their status, and most of them actually couldn't survive. Only one survived out of 5 people. So that's it for today. Hopefully you will if you have any question, you will ask in the comment section, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.